Nabe bavele ekhotho namhlanje bekunabachakali abazokusekela abongazimbi Abasolwa abalikhomba kabamatjhumi abunane nanye babekwe amacala wokukata ngokudlelezela e-Krugersdorp. Abasolwa Baqalene necala lokudlelezela nokuphula umthetho wamaphandle. Munye wabasolwa umntwana ongaphasi kweminyaka. Abasolwa babotshwe ilanga ngemva kwesenzo eso. Aboma ababunane bagadwa eWest Village eKrugersdorp inyanga edluleko. Beba ingcenye yalabo bayokwenza ivideo yomvumo emayini engasebenziko. Jima lokufaniswa kwabasolwa lenziwe izolo. Nakusenjalo ngaphandle wekhotho kubonakale inhlangano zomphakathi ezilwisana nokuhloriswa kwaboma nabantwana. Iphiko lezokushutshiswa komphakathi liqinisekisile ukuthi abalikhomba ngibo abathindaniswe nesehlakalo. Kanti abalikhomba bayokuvela ekhotho kusasa.
Well, we can confirm as the NPA that there are prospects of a successful prosecution against the 7 that appeared today. Hence, we enrolled the matter and charged them with multiple counts of rapes, sexual assault, as well as contravention of the Immigration Act and robbery with aggravation circumstances.
Lunga lekomite ephethe kwehlanganweni ye-ANC unomvula mukunyane. Uba umnyango wezenjiwa ukulungisa imayini ezingasebenziko malungana nokuzuza komphakathi.
In this instance, it becomes even worse because they exploit the minerals, they abuse our women, and over and above that, they undermine the law.
Bebakhona nabachakali be-Action SA ekhotho.
Let us breathe in our own country. We are not free. We are not free. Not even our born frees that were born free are free anymore. They're not. We live in fear as women. These people must just go. They need to go.
Icala lidluliselwe umhla ka-20 enyangeni ukukhukhula Mungu malungana nokuragela phambili ngephenyo.